I bought a new cookie jar. As you can see, I don't know, we got cookies right here on the counter, right here. I don't eat cookies, my dad does. The trouble is, we're having trouble with mice. And he opens up the cookies and he just leaves them open on the counter like that. And all the mice have to do is go there and start eating everything. So we can't do that. We got to put them in a cookie jar. So I bought this cookie jar. It's got a cookie jar lid. It's hard to tell how big they are when you order those. When you order them. I just can't find what I want in the stores. So I order things because I don't know how else to get what I want. It even says cookies. It says cookies. It says it just, that's what it even sounds like. Cookies. Oh, I gotta show you something else I had to order. I went to 3 stores, couldn't find it. Voila! Spaghetti holder. See that? It holds lots of bogetti. Let me open the top. I don't want to spill it. But that's a big container of spaghetti that they have there at Aldi's. And it held all of it, and it still got room for a little bit more. The battery's about dead, so I have to hurry. So anyway, here's the cookie jar. Here's the cookie jar lid. When we put the lid on top of the cookie jar, it becomes sealed for freshness, and then it keeps any of the rodents away. Hopefully we won't have any before long. The kitchen is nice and clean. It looks good. Everything's shining in here. I still need to clean up the fridge and clean under the sink, but everything is way better than it was. Way, way better. I don't know. Maybe I should wash the cookie jar. I'm going to wash the cookie jar and I'll be right back. This is soap. Whoa! Whoa! It's called Dawn dishwash. It's Dawn liquid soap. So we just need a little bit in the cookie jar. I guess I better go get the cookie jar lid while I'm at it. Cookie jar lid. I'm working as hard as I can on the cookie jar. Oh yes. It's nice and clean now. Let's do a little bit of washing on the cookie jar lid. Okay. I think that, I don't know about you folks out there in TV land, but I think it feels cleaner. Ching! Don't worry, I'm not going to squirt you. We found the perfect spot for the cookie jar. Right here. Right here it is. Right here is where we're going to keep the cookie jar. Let me turn the camera. The lighting's a little bit better. Okay. I don't know. I was going to show the process of putting the cookies into the jar. But there it is. All of his vanilla cookies, they fit right there in that jar, just like that. I think that looks better, don't you? Oh, I do. I sure do. I'm going to put the lid back on. I'm going to call that finished. Look at that. Cookies! Anybody hungry for cookies? I'm not. I got my glasses on now because I can't see. I'm going to put it right back over here where it belongs. Alright, everybody. Be sure and wash your spaghetti holder. It makes all the difference. Okay. Till the next video comes out, and you hope that that's never going to happen, I bid you a farewell. Goodbye. Stay safe. See you on the flip side.